Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to build an AI system that takes a fitness coach's client profile, their goals, fitness level and preference, and automatically create a personalized workout plan using the coach's own exercises and instructions, also the branding. It then sends a ready to go PDF straight to the client inbox, no manual work needed. Fitness coaches love it because it saves time, grow their email list, and deliver a premium experience, whether they offer it for free or even as a paid service. As an AI automator, this is a powerful system you can sell to fitness coaches. It's simple to build and easy to explain. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to build this step by step. So let's get started. Okay, so looking here at the workflow, you'll see that there's multiple HTTP, there is form, and there is an AI agent. And at the end, you'll see that there is email node, and this is where we're going to send the final workout plan to the client. Typically, any personal coach will have form submissions, and it will have informations where the client fill this informations about their health, their weight, the height, and any other details. So this is the trigger here. And this is just an N8N form submissions, but there is a lot of forms that you can integrate with N8N. If you prefer any different forms that can be integrated here, and once the client fill this form, then it's going to trigger this whole workflow. Okay, so let me first disconnect this form and I'll show you what we have here. This form has age, name, email address, gender, height, and the weights and the current activity level, fitness goal, and any injury. This is just keep it simple, and the client will fill all this information and click submit. And once you click submit, you'll see that all this workflow is running. We have an AI agent that's going to take all this informations and instruct it to generate workout plan based on the coach exercises. You'll see that there is a Google Sheet here. The AI agent will read all these exercises from the Google Sheet first, and it will retrieve all these exercises and then going to send it back to the model to generate the workout plan based on these exercises. So it will pick what exercise that fit the client profile, and it's going to generate the workout plan. And if we go to the actual Google Sheet, you'll see that it's called Coach Exercises, and it has all the exercises name, and also in each one of the exercise, it has the YouTube link of how to do the specific exercise. So any coach can easily put their exercises here and then put the links for each one of the exercises. And the AI agent will retrieve all these exercises with every link. And when it's generate the workout plan, it will decide based on the client's height, weight. It will also determine what exercise fit the client. I'm sure that this is just a sample form, but there's a lot of other informations you need to gather, and as much as you can gather from the users, the more accurate the workout plan will be, because AI will understand what the user profile in much details, so AI can give you more accurate workout plan. I'm going to connect this back and I'm going to fill this informations and execute this workflow so we can see how everything is, so we can see what's exactly happening, and we can go through each node and understand how it's structured and what is the output of each one of this node. Okay, so first I'm going to click on test workflow and it will prompt me to fill this information. So I'm just going to put any informations here. Okay, so I'm going to put any information here. The email address, this is the email where send it back at the end to the client with their PDF workout plan. Okay, so we fill the information. I'm going to click submit. And once it's submit, if we go back to the workflow, you'll see that the AI agent now starts running and it's first processing this input. You'll see that the Google Sheet has been executed as well, because inside the AI agent, if we look inside the prompt, the system message here, you'll see that we add instructions. And by the way, these instructions will need to be changed. So the trainer name, this will be the coach name, and you can just change it to whatever coach name is, but every single details here will be filled inside the final PDF. So it's like customized based on the brand or the coach name. So here's a brand name as well, and the program name, and this is going to be filled manually one time. And after that, you'll see that there's instructions when a user send their profile, analyze it deeply, and return a 7-day training plan in a strict JSON format. And the JSON format is the most important thing because the PDF will need this format to be able to generate the actual PDF and burst this informations to the PDF. So yep, so we just adding the JSON format here. Of course, we're going to make sure we highlight this and we add a structure output format later. That's the first part where we mention the JSON format. And then we specify what is the tool that we need to use. And the tool we need to use is a Google Sheet because we are going to get these exercises from the sheet. And the first thing is going to get the exercises and the YouTube links from that Google Sheet. And then it has informations about the profiles of the client. You'll see I just drag and drop all the form submissions, the keys and the value. So dragging and drop each one of them. So if in your case, if you want to add different variables, if you add like different informations here, or you want to add to it, then you going to add the new informations and add an entry here for that information. So the AI will understand all the entry from the users. Okay, so now the AI has informations about the user profile, and here instructions of the activity level and the training frequency. So this is just an extra context for the AI to understand. And this part use is rest day true on rest days, because this output will be parsed into the PDF. I will show you that at the last step, but if it's set to true, you'll see it doesn't have any exercises. Okay, and the next step is the fitness goal and the workout focus. So that's something the coach just need to explain to the AI. So if the goal is weight loss, focus on the cardio, minimal rest. And if muscle gains, then you need to do hypertrophy and split training, like whatever the coach decide what is good and what the AI should use, then this is going to be instructed inside here. And you'll see also for the exercises, that's something can be adjusted to, like I added include 4 or 6 exercises per training day. And also some more informations here, like never exceed 6 days per, 6 exercises per days to allow like a rest day, 1 rest day per week. So yep, so this is just all instructions for the AI to understand how to generate this workout plan. And usually add the instructions 1, and you'll see that AI will be able to follow the instructions and will be consistent and give each client the same instructions based on their profile. Last thing here, we add some guide for the JSON format. And this guide just inside the prompt itself, but we will have to add the structures output in the attached tool to to this AI agent. So you'll see that the structures here have document setting, and inside there will be a logo text, and the fit Elliot will be the example I have here, but all this stuff has to be changed inside here. The trainer name, the program name, and the brand name. And once you change this and you add real data, then the AI will take this data and then will change the others, like it will customize it based on the brand name, okay? And the client informations, it will grab it from the form itself. It will grab the age, the name, and okay. And after you'll see all the days, and each day will have their own instruction as well, like structure. So, and here you'll see all the days, and every day will have the same structures of how this exercises going to display. It will take the link of the YouTube and it will parse it so user can just see the thumbnail itself and be able to just click on view demos, and it will take them to the YouTube right away. And this is exactly how we're going to add it to the structure output, so the AI understand how to generate the same structures that we are going to feed it later for this workout plan generator. Okay, at the end I say only return this JSON structures and don't wrap it in Markdown, don't return JSON schema, don't include explanation or comments. And if you know about prompt, the most important context that you want the AI to follow the most should be at the beginning of the prompt or at the end of the prompt. So in our case, the most important structure here. So in our case, the most important instructions is the JSON format, because if we have any errors or anything wrong inside these JSON structures, then the workout plan will not be generated. There will be an error. Okay, so here you'll see the structures output, and the structured output is what the AI agent will follow to give you exactly what you want. If you want the AI to give you an output, specific output, then it will understand the structures of the schema, and then it's going to give you the final output based on the schema. Also, it has the enough instructions inside the prompt itself to generate all this data. And the structures here, this is exactly what we need, because the PDF workout plan will take all the structures and it's going to parse it inside the PDF. So if anything is wrong or it's not defined well, then you will see that there is an errors. So that's defined below. Instructions here for the schema is the most important one in the workflow. Okay, so you'll see that the AI generate the final output, and this is all the workout plan. You'll see that each day has like is rest day, and it's false or true. If it's true, then it will be a rest day. If it's false, it's going to give you all the data for each day. So the day title, like chest, triceps, for example, and the exercises here, dumbbell and incline. And all these exercises is grabbed from the Google Sheet. So for example, it grabbed this exercise and it's decide this is for chest exercise, and this is a link how to do that exercise. By the way, all these links is just demo links. I grabbed it from YouTube. So to show you how it works, but usually you change this to the coach exercises and the YouTube links, and it will be able to grab this. And you'll see it's decided on the sets and the reps, and also it give you the video URL and also added a note. And this is exactly how we instruct the AI to give us all this information. And you'll see that there is 3, 4, 5 exercises, because we said that we need at least 4. So it didn't give us 3. You will see all of them. It has at least 4 exercises. And this one 5 and the other one 5. And you'll see that this one is true. The rest of the day is true. So it's not going to display any exercise. And it's jump to day 5 and day 6 and day 7. Okay, so that's all for the AI agent. If we look closer to the logs, you'll see it first, the AI agent take the informations and it triggered the OpenAI take all the prompt and the instructions to understand that we need to grab all the YouTube and the exercises. So it's executed the Google Sheet, and the Google Sheet has retrieved all the rows for the exercise names and for the YouTube links. And then it gives this informations to the AI again to process, and also it take the prompt for how to make the exercises, and also take the schema for the output structures, and it's combine all that and give you the final output structures that we saw. Okay, so after this step, now we need to take all this data and we need to send it to Automator API. And Automator API is a platform where you can generate videos, but you also have a section here for workout. So it can generate you this workout PDF, and all these structures output we saw is going to parse inside this PDF here for each client. So each client, it will look different. It will display the client's profile and also the program overview and the workout plan. The second step, we waited first to make sure that this node here, Automator API, is going to process. So if we open Automator API, you'll see that there is an HTTP request with URL, and this URL for the workout plan API. And we just add the authorizations and the API keys, and we added all the output structures that we grabbed from OpenAI. So we just drag it and drop it right here. And that's all. Now the API will process this informations, and we added wait node to give it a time to finish this processing. And after it's finished, and we added an HTTP request with methods get, and then we added the URL. And the URL is the URL of the actual PDF, so you can just drag it and drop it here. After that, you just need to send the PDF to the client. We have the client's email, and we also have the PDF. So all we need to do to add this Gmail send node, in the two, you'll just add the client's email where I got it from the actual form submission. So you'll see here in the first node, the form submissions, we have the client's email address as one of the inputs here. So just drag it and drop it over here. And also here is the subject and the body of the email. So you can just change this to whatever you want. I added workout plan, and then hi, and then I added the name Jean. So I dragged the name and add it here and add a space between. And then if you look here, you'll see all the email body. Your personalized workout plan is ready. Please find it attached to this email. And then just any motivation like quote or anything, and then end up with the best regards, and then add like your brand here. And after that, you see that we need to attach the actual PDF to the email. So here you'll see that there's an attachment, and I select that. Usually it's not there, so you'll see add an option, and then I click attachment, and then add the attachment, and it already selected the data from the previous node. And the previous node is a download data. It's download node where we download the actual PDF. So we just attach it here. And that's all. You'll see that it sent the PDF to by the way, the bend N8N attribution is something that if you toggle it off, it wouldn't add like this email sent by N8N. So you just keep this off. If we go to the email address, you'll see that I have an email here from me because I sent it to myself. And you'll see the email address. This is the same email address we wrote. You'll see that the actual PDF is attached here. So I'm going to click on it here and download it. Here is the PDF. And if we look at it, you'll see that, let me zoom in. You'll see that the client's profile is, and if we look at the program overview, you'll see informations about how many total days and also how many workout days, as well as the rest days and the total exercises. And this is just a calculations and the actual softwares that generate the PDF. And let me zoom out again here, and I'll show you that in the workout plan, you'll see that each day has exercises and that exercise's name and how many sets, and the reps, and also a note of what you should focus in. Like, for example, in this dumbbell chest press, focus on controlled movement and engage the chest muscle. So you'll see each exercise has its own notes, and of course, the name and how many sets and reps. And also, the best thing I like that it has the actual button where the user can just click on it and watch the demo. And also, it grabbed the thumbnails of the video and also displayed here. So this is happens on the back end. It display the actual workouts, and also it inject this button with actual link that is grabbed from the JSON format. And all these links and the thumbnails will be for the coach. So each coach will put their YouTube links for each exercise. It will do that automatically. So let me actually click on that, and you'll see it take me to like the actual workout. So
I wonder how HoneyBook can help grow
I
my
have
business.
okay. She'll see this was the best workout split for muscle gain. This is not the same one because I actually just added any links. But usually if you added the same link for double chest press, for example, you'll see it just open to that link. Okay, so you'll see all these exercises here displayed, and you'll see that there is a repeatable like thumbnails because the same exercise or the same links is duplicated inside the Google Sheet, because I just wanted to use like an examples link, so I just added some links. Okay, so the second days as well, you'll see it's the same thing. And once we get to the actual rest days, so here's the day 3 and the day 4, you'll see that this is the active recovery and this is the rest days and the recovery tips. And this is a note we been generated by AI as well. And you can instruct inside the prompt what exactly you want this PDF to show. Like if you want to add different notes, you can just add this note, and I will able to understand that and will inject it inside the PDF by returning this information inside the JSON format. Okay, so you see the same thing for day 5 and also for day 6 and for day 7 as well. Alright everyone, so that's it for today's video. If you are interested to grab this template, you'll see the link below. And also if you are a personal coach and you would like to get something like that set up to your business, you'll find the book called Appointment also in the link below. Thank you so much, and see you next time.